this video, let's see how to change the OS for your Hetzner cloud server. So of course, this means that the server is going to get wiped completely. You just need to take a backup of everything and then you're going to set up everything again. So let's see how to change the operating system. I'm just going to go into the server and then I will go into rebuild. And here you can choose the operating system that you want. So maybe I want, let's see if they have Fedora. So they have Fedora. I can select Fedora 41 and then rebuild. Name of the server, just copy and paste that there and then rebuild. And this is going to wipe the server completely while installing Fedora on the new cloud server. Once this is done, it's going to send you an email with the details for your server. So let's just confirm the details for our new server. The new server details will be, let me copy that. First of all, let me copy the IP. Copy. So to log in, I will do SSH root, Ctrl+Shift+V, enter. And so you can see that this is because the key has changed for that server. So to deal with this, you have to delete the key. So is there a command that shows me how to delete it? No. So what I can do, actually, I can just run this command again. I just need the IP, and to remove it, you can do SSH keygen -R. So it has been deleted from the known hosts file. So I'm going to do Ctrl+L to clear the screen. Just one more time for you to see the command is that SSH keygen -R and the IP of your server. Okay. So let's try to log in again. Type yes to confirm. And I'm going to copy my password that has been sent via email. Ctrl+Shift+V, enter. There you go. So of course, they require you to change the password. Enter, and password updated successfully and connection reclosed. So let's just log in again. Ctrl+Shift+V, enter. All right, so let me confirm which operating system I'm using. So I can do host name control, enter. This is going to tell me that my operating system is Fedora 41 right there. That's how to change your OS, or as they call it on Hetzner, that is how to rebuild your Hetzner server. If you have any question or you need any Linux server support, maybe you need to install a control panel, install WordPress, migrate to WordPress, feel free to let me know. I will put my website link in the description below. If you still have any question, feel free to let me know.